Hi Odoos, welcome back to this new video about cart and checkout customization. When it comes to boosting conversions, the magic is in the details. From adding a Buy Now button for lightning fast purchases to customizing extra steps for that personal touch, organizing your customer's browsing experience has never been easier. So let's have a look together. Okay, let's open our website app and go to Configuration and then Settings. And here we will look at a specific option by scrolling down. So we can decide over here what should be done when the customer clicks on the Add to Cart button in the shop page. They can stay on the product page or they can go to their cart. By default, it's set on the first option, so we'll leave it like that. Okay, now let's go to our shop page. And we will select any product, let's say this beautiful watermelon mug. And here we can add more options by clicking on Edit and going to the Style tab. We can add a Buy Now button, which will speed up the purchasing process. It appears right here. So we'll save this and close. And if we now click on Add to Cart, then we see that we remain on the product page according to what we configured in the settings. This way, the customer adds the product to the cart but continues the shopping experience. And if we click on Buy Now, then we directly go to our cart where we can add other options by clicking on Edit and going to the Style tab. So the Extra Step feature allows you to add a customizable form after the delivery step. We'll see it afterwards. You can also add the Accept Terms and Conditions checkbox that will be displayed at the final step of the checkout. So we will save this and we will proceed to the next step, delivery. So here I can add all of the details by myself, or if I activated Google Address Validation in the settings, then I can type the beginning of my address and it will autocomplete the rest. You can find how to set up Google Address Validation in our documentation. Now, note that if your customer has previously created an account on the website and filled in his info, then his address will be completed automatically, like this, so he doesn't have to fill it out each time. And if you click Edit on this step, well, then you can also decide to show the B2B fields or not. So here we will activate them, and if we save, then we can see that in the address fields, there are additional fields for companies like the company name field. So I can also on this step choose between delivery methods such as standard delivery, cash on delivery, and click and collect. Now you can configure these methods and many others, and we talk about this during other videos in this course. So let's confirm delivery and billing addresses by clicking on this button. Now we are on the Extra Step page where I can add more information. I can, of course, edit all the fields thanks to the website editor. As you can see, you have plenty of options to choose from, but we talk about this specifically in our video about contact form linked below. Now, in our case, we will use this step to let our customers add a gift message. So we will rename extra info into add your gift message. We will just remove this reference field. And instead of give us your feedback, we will say add your message here. There you go. And we will let the bottom field on this page in case people want to add their own cart. Okay, we'll click confirm, and now we are on the payment step. So once I'm here, I can see the terms and conditions box. And if I click here on agree, then I have the option to pay with my credit card or with other payment options that I've configured over here. We'll explain all about the payment options in another video of this course. Now note that if you choose the cash on delivery method, the button label changes automatically to confirm, as you do not pay right now. And if you take another one, it will say pay now. But if you want this button to say something else than pay now, such as place order, for example, then you can just click edit and then select the text and then write the new text. So it will be place order and then click on save. And this way it is a bit less aggressive than the pay now button. So we will choose our method, agree to the terms and conditions, and we will just click on place order. And just like that, we have completed our online order. Now, one last thing. If your customers go back to their basket, then they can access a quick reorder button. which allows them to see their purchase history and add the same products to their basket in one click by clicking on this little icon. See? Now this is especially useful for specific business with B2B customers. And that's it for this video. Make sure to read our online documentation for more info and see you in the next one. Bye.